eduTinker gives you the option of creating assignments within the app. You can create assignment by giving it an assignment name. You can also specify the topic name and leave a brief description for your students' understanding. You can also set a due date and also a suitable timing. You have the option of choosing the grading type according to your wish. You can now attach files via camera, device as an image or by simply pasting a link. You can share the assignments with your student by tapping on the Share Assignment button. You can check student submissions by tapping on View Submissions, where a list of all the students who have submitted the assignment will be shown. Now you can not only grade the assignment, but also leave your remarks and a voice feedback by clicking on the Click to Record button. You can click on Mark Checked and all your feedback will automatically reach the student.